So what's up mga papi? McBlaze in the house. Yes sir. Peace. What's up, what's up, what's up? So ngayon mga papi, no, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung binili namin ni Esme sa Motovlog sa Pasay nung Valentine's Day, no. Ito papi, dagdag ulit sa safety ng mga rider, no. Mas maganda kasi talaga mag-invest tayo sa safety gears natin, no. Mas maganda kung quality yung bibilhin natin, no. Dalawa kasi yan eh, quality versus affordability. You know what I'm saying? Meron nga mga affordable na safety gears, kaso syempre yung quality hindi ganun kaganda. Unlike yung mga mabibili natin sa mga malls or sa store talaga, is quality yung mga ganun mga papi. Pero I'm not saying na wag kayo bumili ng mga nasa online lang, no, or sa mga maliliit na store. Okay pa rin yun mga papi. Para sa akin, no, basta ang mahalaga magkaroon kayo ng safety gears like yung elbow pads, knee pads, kung wala pa tayong pambili ng jacket, no. Pero I would prefer bumili kayo ng jacket na may mga paddings na mga papi. Shoulder, chest, back, elbow pads, yan, kompleto kasi yun mga papi. Ayun ang kagandahan kapag naka-jacket. Tapos maporma ka pa, oh, di ba? So babakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang binili namin ni Esme mga papi. Siyempre tayo bumibili tayo sa Moto World or sa Moto Market kapag naka-sale. Di ba? Mas okay kung ganun yung bibilhan niya, no? Kapag may promo, lagi nyong i-follow nyo si Moto Market or si Moto World sa Facebook para makita nyo kung kailan sila nagsisale at makapag-prepare kayo at makapag-ipon. You know what I'm saying? So eto na.
Forma Swift Dry shoes take their styling from high-top basketball shoes. Then, Forma throws in a moto-specific protections and a waterproof Britex lining so you can stay cool and dry. Saan nga ba galing ang Forma? The Forma brand was born in 1999 and has always shown a tendency to grow ever since. Thanks to its own research and development department and continuous technical improvements, the brand is able to offer a complete range of products on the market. It is thanks to the highest quality standards that Forma has become one of the best known brands in the world. Let me show you the features. On the outer side, full grain leather upper, new personalized Forma double density rubber sole with shocking absorbing heel insert, reinforced ankle protection, padded tongue and extra comfort collar, lace closure with reinforced eyelets, rear reflective insert. And on the inner, personalized Forma Britex tubular lining, waterproof and breathable, reinforced heel and toe areas, ankle TPU molded plastic protections, PP mid dual flex and anti-shock EVA midsole, and antibacterial replaceable footbed with APS or air pump system.
Alright mga papi, susuot rin natin to. Siyempre kailangan natin mag medyas. Ito na. Testing. Ang gaganda dito mga papi, no, waterproof. Ayan, napakaangas. So mga papi, no? We tried to fit the boots. We tried to use it, roam around the city. Out of 10, comfortable wise, maybe it's an 8 or 9. The sole is comfortable, but the air, it's a little bit hot because since it's waterproof, I think there's no hole, there's no ventilation, that's why it's a little bit hot. But this is very useful here in our country, because we never know when it's going to rain in our country. Even though it's a tropical country, it's hot, but sometimes it just really rain really hard. You know what I'm saying? Out of 10 of the style, it's a 9 for me. It fits when you're using a pants, a maong pants. It's very casual looking boots, but I think it won't fit when you're in a race truck or something. You know what I'm saying? But when you're touring, this is okay. The advantage of these boots is it's waterproof. Your feet won't get wet when it's raining. You know what I'm saying? All in all mga papi, out of 10, maybe it's an average of 8.5. Yeah. So that's it mga papi. Thank you for watching my review on this product. Thank you for always supporting my channel. Thank you for watching. So that would be all for this video mga papi. You know what it is. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, please ring the bell for you to get updated on my upcoming videos. You know what I'm saying? McBlaze in the house. Yes, sir. Hey, and I'm out. Whack.